What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video, and today's actually an exciting video. We are actually installing an exhaust with the 10th gen. Got Mr. Alex here to give me a hand. It's not a hard install, but it's good to have a second hand doing this, holding exhausts up and stuff like that. And we'll be working on this car, and what we are installing is this. We are installing Invidia R400. I am super hyped. I'm gonna get everything else shortly so you guys can see how it looks. And yeah, shouldn't take too long if nothing is seized. Should be a good install. We'll show you guys how to do it. But yeah, let's get into it. So there it is. This is a beautiful exhaust. It's gonna quiet down quite a bit, hopefully, because of these mufflers. The car is a little loud for my likings. It's my daily. If it was a race car, it wouldn't be too bad. But there's a muffler, and then underneath we have the mid pipe, and the res is somewhere down here as well. But yeah, I'm gonna unpackage everything and get this on. I went with the tri-tip with the titanium because I think it's gonna look really good. I've always been a fan of the titanium and how it looks like this. Looks like a really good quality exhaust. I'm excited. So that is everything that you get with the Invidia R400. Quality looks nice. Super excited. Should be really good. So jack up your car. This will connect to your front pipe. If you have one, make sure your front pipe is compatible. Alright guys, so what we're doing is it's a 14 ratchet. You need a 14 wrench, and you're going to take the 3 bolts that are connected to the front pipe off. It's kind of hard for me to get it, but as you can see, Alex is working on it already. And then we're going to need some lubricant on all these, the rubber bushings. We'll need some lubricant because they're usually pretty hard to get out. We're going to take the exhaust off as a whole, and then we'll install it in 3 pieces most likely. But yeah, so Alex is just tackling the 3 there. You'll most likely have covers there, which I do not have. But yeah, I'm gonna get him some lubricant because that's what we need. We've run out of like WD-40 or anything like that, or PB Blast, so I'm using this rust protectant and lubricant. And so you have 1 bushing there, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And then Alex has 1 by him. And we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna try taking this out as a whole. So now Alex is trying to remove the bushing with a long flathead we have. We've lubricated it. It makes it a lot easier. It's a little difficult. Just, you gotta find that right angle and just pop her off. We get in there. They're moving pretty good, huh? There you go. That's probably the easiest exhaust removal I think we've ever done. So this thing is 1 piece. What we're gonna do now is take all the bushings off. Now it's time to get the new one ready and put on. Now Alex took one of the gaskets and a couple of bolts, and he's gonna remove the old gasket that's underneath. If we can see him, there we go. He's gonna remove the old gasket underneath and put the new one in. And then I'm gonna hand him this exhaust here, this part. This will connect to your front pipe. There's your res. Then you're gonna have your mid pipe, I guess, going all along, and then your axle back. For this, I'm probably gonna end up selling it. We'll probably grind it right where the weld is, and we'll sell the axle back, and this will just be trash. So if anyone's interested in the axle back, let me know. Does its job, sounds good. We've removed all the bushings from there, and then we're gonna replace it and put them on here. As you see, that guy goes right here. And then I'm just leaving it a little loose so it gives Alex some space to work underneath there. I'm gonna pass this, and then we're gonna work our way. So now we are connecting the new exhaust to the front pipe with the 3 bolts that they gave you. We cleaned up the area where they connect. You can use some sandpaper, flathead, clean up all the gunk, make sure you get a perfect connection. And now we're putting the gasket in. And yeah, Alex put in the 3 bolts. We put it through, Alex put in the 3 bolts in. We put it through the hanger here. And I'm just helping him, assisting him with holding it up. This is why I said it's good to have 2 people. So as Alex was trying to get the bolts through the gasket, the front pipe, and the mid pipe here, I was holding this all the way up here and giving him the leverage that he need. And yeah, so Alex is tightening it right now. We put the fresh new gasket in, and then after this, we're gonna put that mid pipe in. And yeah, so we have a PRL front pipe, down pipe, that connects to this Invidia. So we went 3" to this is 2.75, so it's just a little smaller, but I don't mind. Okay, so we're gonna get this mid pipe and we're gonna connect it to that pipe that connects to the front pipe down below over there. And yeah, I'm gonna get all the gaskets and the bolts ready for him. So now I'm gonna hold this in while Alex puts the 2 bolts in. He's put the gasket between both of these pipes, and then last we're just gonna connect the muffler and put them on the hangers. and we'll get some sound notes and see how it sounds. I'll put some clips of how the car sounded previous and how it sounds now also. So we have that midsection, that mid pipe connected to the pipe that connects to the front pipe, and now all we have left is the axle back, and that's the most exciting part because that's the part you actually see. Alright, so we have the exhaust on, we have all the hangers on, and it looks pretty damn good. I'm super excited. We're gonna jack everything down, clean all up, and the next couple clips will be us in the car and hearing how it sounds on cold start and whatnot. Definitely louder. We're gonna get some in-car footage of it. And now rev it up a bit. Yeah, keep revving. So, okay. Settle down. You're getting too excited. Like it. Yeah. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I actually really like it actually.
Yeah,
nice
nice
deep tone to it.
It's not raspy or anything. Yeah. Car's starting to come along this year, huh? The wheels are on. We just cut the intercooler mesh as well. Still got the new bumper to put on. But it has a nice tone to it. It's not super loud or anything. Looks aggressive.
That looks good. It looks clean.
All right, so we're gonna go for a bit of a drive and we're gonna see how it sounds in the car, and I guess let you guys know our final decision on what we think about this exhaust. Nice. It's definitely nice. It's not as loud, it's not as raspy. I feel a little bit better. Feels a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say it's insane, but it feels like it pulls a little harder. The car's breathing better, you know, you got bigger piping. We went from, I think OEM's either 2.25 or 2.5, and we went to 2 3/4. I didn't go 3-inch, but so far I'm pretty happy. Sounds pretty good. It's not a heat score, it's a lot quieter. And then this is just like normal driving. Let's open the windows a little bit so you guys can hear. Very good. Yo, this is a lot better, in my opinion, for daily driving. The Muffler Delete with my exhaust tips made way better pops and crackles, and if you're into that, that's the exhaust that you need. Now with the catless downpipe, you'll get crazy pops. I think I won't hear that with this exhaust, but for me, daily driving, it's going to be a lot better. It's going to save me a lot of headaches, but like pretty good. Like, doesn't sound like we have no exhaust leaks. Everything sounds good. The camera can't catch it, but the way the PRL cold air intake sounds is amazing. If you guys are wondering what I have a PRL Cobra intake with the catless downpipe front pipe. I have the PRL intercooler, and then now I have the Invidia R400 or Gemini exhaust, whatever you call it. And yo, it pairs up pretty good. Definitely not as loud as it used to be. I know we won't get those big pops and stuff anymore, but
it's definitely faster.
You felt that?
No, man.
What's really nice is you can hear the surge just a little better, and it feels nice. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can do one more pull, and then you guys can hear how it sounds. But overall, it sounds like a great exhaust. It looks great, and the quality's pretty good on it too. All right, so we're gonna do a pull here. Yo, honestly, it's not that loud, but yo, Alex doesn't think there's a difference in ripping it, but I think so. Not a lot. Yo, I don't know, maybe because it's not as loud, because how loud it was before, it wasn't as fast. I don't know, the sound didn't match the speed in a sense, but I don't know. I feel good right now. I feel like it was a good, solid buy. That felt good. I have a trunk full of stuff. I have Alex in the car. Now, he's not a believer. After this, we're gonna actually hop on a dyno. Hopefully there's a shop that'll take us in with what's going on, and we'll see what we're pushing on the stock turbo, fully bolted on 94 pump. So I'm excited for that, to see how that's going. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had some in-car pulls. You guys heard the cold start, and you saw some comparison from before and after, how it sounds. Like I said, pros, it's a lot more quieter. It sounds good. Cons, I guess you would say, is I don't get those loud pops and crackles that a lot of you guys love anymore. But I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Alex back there. I suggest you guys getting someone to help you do this, because it's kind of hard to do by yourself. You need someone to kind of hold it. Just remember, love you guys. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.